Popular social media sensation Lexi among three succumbed to injuries in Trelawney car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and if it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The local entertainment fraternity and social media world has been plunged into mourning following the tragic passing of Lexi and Williams, popularly known as Lexi. The police have confirmed that the social media influencer aged 20 is among 3 people killed in a motor vehicle crash on the North Coast Highway in Spring Hill, Trelawney. Lexi, more popularly known as Lexi D. Best, was being transported by a 25-year-old Kenroy Simid of Hogue in the parish when the Toyota Mark X motor car in which they were traveling crashed into a Toyota Vaxi. The social media influencer, who is from Reabuena in Trelawney, had been just picked up by Simid. They were en route to an event called Cookout Vibes in Reabuena when the incident occurred. The driver of the Vaxi, Chris Codner, aged 30, of Exchange in St. Anne, also died in the crash. 3 tourists were among the occupants of the Vaxi motor car and had to be rushed to hospital. Lexi was recently featured in the popular hit series The 876 Roommate.
876.
I just pull up at the mansion. Everybody a girl, everybody a strength in the comedy video them put on Instagram. Where that next? Hey, you go tired enough, cause we not abuse you. You shouldn't fly, come over here. Come. Comfortable. I not worry about. I not fret. I know how to do my thing. So we not watch nobody.
And is also a popular face on the Richard Brown films.
You know I'm not knowing. So answer, why you have to step on me like that? You're afraid of me, no? Love you, no? I remember your friend now putting on arms way, you know? Come on. Let's go. I was like, let's go.
I like it.
We here at Link 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends. We'll have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.